Guys, I will be showing you how to make a leaderboard and variable at the same time. Click new deck, blank, go to tools, click variable, name it whatever you want. I'll just say I'll name it score. I'll name it score. You could keep the score every time the deck restarts, or you could reset the score every time. But I'm gonna keep the score. Make sure the initial value is 0 or whatever you need. I'm gonna get a character and creature and score counter. But first we need to test what it does first. It does absolutely nothing. But to keep your actors inside, get a border and add them. Click edit blueprint on this. Make sure relative to camera is enabled. Now let's start with the logic. First, we wanna select this again, and then type in the score name you just made. But here's an important rule: do not delete this. Do not delete this thing. As you can see, do not delete it. Do not. You could type your score is, and it'll say, and it will be written. Now we need to type. Actually, do the logic. Go to logic. Create a new rule. You could do it when this is tapped. When this is tapped, I'll choose when this is tapped. Modify the value of a variable. Here's what you need. Click on none. Set it to deck because we made a global variable, so it's basically a deck variable. So it's click 1, and then click relative to current value. You must enable relative. Now let's see what it does. We could move the character around. Let's click the mouse. Oh, what the? If the touch doesn't work, try using an actor that doesn't move. So let's delete the let's delete the mouse, and we should draw in something. It doesn't have to be. You don't have to draw. You could use a wall. I'm just gonna do a circle filled with black. It shouldn't be moving if you're gonna do a tap thing. So we're gonna do the same logic we did on the rat. I meant mouse. Click. When this is tapped, select response. Modify the value of a variable relative to current value. Click none. Deck. And then click set the value 1. And it should be working. Ta-da! But second we need to make the leaderboard. So we go to the same thing. We don't create a new rule. We use the same one. Select response. Save a variable to leaderboard. Select the variable we just made. Done. But how do we open the variable? So let's make a new actor. It could be anything. It could be any actor. I'm just gonna I'm gonna just put in circle and inside of it yellow. So bam. Now we have this edit a blueprint, logic, rules. When this is tapped, select response, show the leaderboard for a variable. You could make it show only high scores. You could make it show high scores at the top and low scores on the bottom. You could do low scores at the top and you could do high scores at the bottom. You could also change the label. You have scored you could change it to anything you want. And it should work. Your score is 11. Now 15. Now we will click the yellow ball or whatever actor it is that we just made, and you have the leaderboard.